Working 9 to 5 and still feel like your money's going nowhere? You're not alone. Most people think you need a side hustle to build wealth, but what if you didn't? In this video, I'll show you how to turn your regular income into passive gains, without lifting another finger outside your day job. The biggest difference between surviving and building wealth? It's not how much you earn, it's how you use what you earn. Step 1. Pay yourself first. Before bills, subscriptions, or nights out, set aside a portion of your income automatically into savings or investments. Forget about flipping sneakers or opening an Etsy shop. You can start building passive income through investments like index funds, dividend stocks, high-yield savings, real estate investment trusts, REITs. Each of these lets your money work, even when you don't. Most people ignore these strategies because they don't look exciting or immediate. But guess what? That's the point. Building wealth isn't about hype, it's about consistency and time. Compound interest is quiet, until it's powerful. Let's be real, side hustles can be exhausting. By investing from your regular paycheck, you can skip the burnout and still achieve financial independence, travel freedom, long-term security. You don't need more hours in the day to build passive income. You just need a better plan for the income you already have. If this video helped shift your mindset, hit like, subscribe, and share with a friend who's still chasing hustle culture. Passive gains are possible. Start today.